What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Now today we're continuing right along with our Rustoleum custom mix series with a new crazy color. Everybody knows it's getting really close to Easter, and I thought, hey, it'd be cool today to do some kind of weird stuff over some Easter colors. But anyways, the color I got for today is Satin Seaside. It's like a flat baby bluish color. And I got a couple of different pearls I'm actually going to mix together, and we're going to shoot this over this blue color, and we're going to see what it looks like. Now, full transparency, I don't know what this is going to look like. This is just a custom mix that I'm going to throw together, and we're going to see how it works. It could turn out great. It could turn out awful, but that's the beauty of this whole series, guys, is just experimenting with different Rustoleums, trying to create new colors with different pearls, and just giving you guys some cool ideas for your next project. But anyways, I've actually already taken the liberty of spraying the fender behind me. You can see it's blue. I did have a little bit of a mishap and had to wet sand a section down. It just comes with the territory, so I went ahead and finished spraying that up. But I'll take you behind real quick, show you the fender really good, show you the color up close, and we'll get to mixing some pearls and see what we can come up with for a crazy Easter spray out. Alright guys, so the clear coat we're using today is this high-tech clear. If you've watched my other videos, you know I don't recommend this clear to do it full scale. I recommend like Speedo Coat 2K urethane clear or NASA multi-panel. I use that a lot, just simply because the 1K clear, it has a tendency to shrink and you have no UV protection. So get yourself a good 2K clear. I do have a link in the description to my Amazon. I get a little bit of a kickback, but it doesn't cost you anything else. If you guys want to use any of the products you see today on the channel, or if you want to use even better stuff, my spray gun setup, I'm completely transparent. All that stuff is up there as well. So over this blue today, I was thinking, what kind of colors are Easter colors? Well, obviously the baby blue is a good one. We've been using a lot of yellow gold, so I figured let's throw a little bit of yellow gold into the mix. Now this is going to get pretty crazy today, guys, so just bear with me. So the first color going in the mix, like I said, is yellow gold. Then I was like, well, let's keep going with that theme. And I always love a good green over a blue. I think that would look kind of cool. So I'm going to throw a little bit of, this is Green Pear Dry in the mix. And like I said, all these pearls, all the stuff I'm using today, guys, is available on Amazon. This is a sample kit that I picked up for like $10 to $15, I think. And then the final color I'm going to throw in here, you got to have a little bit of pink, right? This is called powder, but it's kind of a pink with a gold. So I'm going to throw a little bit of that in there too. And like I said, this is a big time experiment. I've never thrown this many pearls into the mix together. And this is basically pearl stacking. But with all of them in one. So I'm gonna mix this up really good. And right away, I'm getting some weird vibes. This is a gold, a little bit of green. Well, I'm just gonna show you the mix and we'll spray it and you can be a judge. But let's go ahead and finish mixing this up and we'll put it in the gun and we'll get to spraying. Alright guys, so we got 3 different pearls in here. I try to get them about as even as possible. The bags are only 5-gram bags, so I probably put about, I don't know, half an ounce of each pearl in here. But like I said, this is a hodgepodge. This is just for experimentation purposes and fun. I just figured, hey, let's try something different today. But anyways, like I said, we got the fender behind me. It's ready for some clear. I'm gonna go ahead and dust the first coat on, and then we'll build off of that, and then we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. So let's get into it. right, guys, so I got the fender outside in the sun, and it's I'm not going to say a whole lot about it. I'm going to let you guys kind of see it first out in the sun in all its glory, and then we'll discuss it and talk about it. But if you've made it this far in the video, please drop me a subscribe, like if you like what I'm doing, and also rate it 1 to 5, guys. Let me know, do you like it, do you hate it, what is it? And well, let me take you out there and let's show you the fender, and then we'll discuss it. Alright guys, well there you have it. There's a spray out for today. Is it what you thought it would be? One thing I did notice is a lot of people are asking me to stack pearls and what that would look like and mixing different pearls together. So I hope this kind of answers that for you. It sounds great in theory, and I guess in theory you think maybe I'll get like a cool color shift or something like that. But honestly what it does is it more so just kind of muddies up the finish a little bit. I don't know if you noticed on camera, but it kind of silvered out everything. And I didn't even use silver. I used, gold, the green, and then the pink pearls. And I used them in small quantities. But if you saw this in person, it probably looked a little bit different. It almost looks mood ringish. Like when you look at it from different angles, you see the red or whatever. And also it kind of made the pearls look a little blotchy. That's kind of something I observed about it. But you let me know what you think. Did you like it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Did you expect the results we got? I really didn't know what to expect, but I wanted to try this, guys, for you, so you know without trying it yourself if everything went wrong or if everything went right. What we got is what we got, guys, and this is it at the end of the day. It does kind of look a little tropical, which is kind of cool. I think if I had done this color with just the gold, man, it would look beautiful. It would have looked like a Bora Bora blue or something like very tropical Hawaiian-ish. But anyways, this is my little Easter spray out, so to speak, and I hope if nothing else you guys got a kick out of it, enjoyed it today. I know I did. It was a great fun little project, and like I said, if you made it this far in the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, leave me a comment. It helps me out tremendously, guys. Between subscribers and engagement, it helps grow the channel. But I am completely blessed to have all you guys continue to watch me do crazy spray outs like this. And we're going to keep on doing it. And if I can think of something crazier, we will do it. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you for watching today. Hope you have a great weekend. God bless. And that's going to be it for me today. I'll see you guys on the next episode of Whitley Auto Works.